GGG, you already know it's your boy Joe back at it again, man. Listen, alright, CodingPhase.com, man. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video, man, because your boy is back. Listen, alright, so we're gonna talk about, ad blockers and pretty much not supporting, the creators, right? I'm gonna tell you this little quick story, right, about me, right? When I use YouTube, right, I use it for what it's for, right? In the sense of, hey, if I want to listen to music, I'll listen to music and go search for whatever, Little B the bass god, or I go and search a ugly god, or I'll go and search Rich the Kid, I go and search for this artist, right? And then when the commercials come in, I just let it go. I'm like, whatever. Like, I'm not paying for this fucking music. So why would I go and use an ad blocker and block, the ads, and basically that artist can't get paid? So it's the same thing as a creator, right? When somebody comes to somebody's YouTube channel and they watch all their videos, but at the same time when a commercial comes in, they just skip through every single one. They just be like, skip? That means you're pretty much saying, fuck you right now to the creator, right? I don't have no problem with that because it's a free country. You could do whatever the hell you want. But at the same time, it's like sometimes we have to support our artists. Sometimes we have to support our content creators. And pretty much it's like, hey, don't use an ad blocker because it's not helping them and it's not gonna help you guys either. Like, like in my channel, for example, like I told you guys, I already, I give 25% straight away. So pretty much out of the whole pie of the channel, Google gets half of it. I get half of it. And then from that half, automatically, it gets cut. And then it says, okay, from my half, my 50%, imagine now that 50%, I say, hey, now this is just 100%. And then from there I say, okay, 25% is for taxes, 25% is for you guys, YouTube or viewers, give you guys free stuff. And then 50% is automatically for me to buy new equipment, new camera, pay an editor, pay, like in reality, I might leave out of here with 25% of the whole, earnings pie, right? So when somebody comes in and has an ad blocker, or comes in and skips through the ads, every single one of them, like, you're not helping me, you're not helping yourself. You're basically just saying fuck you to the creator. And it's a free country, you could do whatever the hell you want, but at the same time, just know that that's how people get paid. I'm not looking to become like a super YouTuber at all. All I really want is just to be able to have just enough to basically, I could say, hey, I want to go to Africa and start teaching over there web development. I want to go back to Dominican Republic, which is a poor country, and be able to teach web development over there. I want to go to Colombia, teach web development. I want to go to Mexico, teach web development. I want to go to Philippines, teach web development. I want to go to India, teach web development. Like, go to the Ukraine, go to Lithuania, go to Poland, go teach web development, right? And that's all I really want out of this channel. I want to be able to help you guys that are watching me, become what you want to be in this world and get out of that bullshit job, get out of dishwashing, get out of retail. Nobody wants to be working in retail forever. Get out of that bullshit office job that you hate. Stop being a mechanic. Stop being a taxi driver. Like, there's so many people out here that they want to get out of their careers, not even careers, their bullshit jobs, and I feel like web development can help you guys achieve that. This is not about, hey, 10 easy ways of getting rich. This is not about that. This is about just having a certain quality of life. Be able to fucking make enough money to, survive in this world. And not only survive, but be living comfortably. And I feel web development could actually give you guys that. So that's why I created this channel. you know? So, I mean, why am I going into this long rant and talking about ad blockers and this and that? Well, I just want to say, like, guys, if you have an ad blocker, like, you know, if you're blocking the ads or fucking never watch any ads on this channel, like, you do understand that what you're doing is not helping nobody out. You're not helping me. You're not helping the other people that I'm trying to help. So it's like, you know, it's a big fuck you to everybody. That's what you're basically doing. And I know it's not everybody that does that here, because I do understand that. But at the same time, it's like there's a small percentage of people who are doing it. And I'm like, oh man, like, people just don't know, like, you know, the time and effort that it takes for me to come here. There's days that I just want to relax. Like right now, I just want to, you know, chill, relax, play some Xbox One, bust some ass on 2K. That's what I want to do right now, because the whole week I've been coding, the whole week. And now I'm going to spend my weekend basically editing videos, making videos for you guys for the rest of the week. And I think it's very important that people know, you know, how much it takes to actually do this. Imagine like this. Imagine when you watch a show on TV, like Dancing with the Stars. You say, oh, these people, all they do is just go in there and just dance and be like, hey, doing the little cha-cha, doing this and that. But the reality of things is that people, there's a whole big team of people that's actually working in those shows. So everybody got to feed their family. So imagine right now if everybody would be like, hey, whenever the commercials come in, we're not going to watch no commercials at all. And then that's when, you know, people start seeing, hey, the ratings dropped as soon as the commercials came in. So what happens now? Now that basically the commercial, or the companies are not going to invest into those shows no more. So what happens? Those shows get canceled. And, you know, that's just the same thing as here, YouTube. You know, if you don't support your artists, your content creators, like, who's going to support them? You know what I mean? And for me, like, I'm not here to become a millionaire. I'm not here to make a whole bunch of money. I'm just dead ass. I just want to be able to, at one point, be able to teach web development to other people. That's it. And I want to be able to still continue giving you guys that 25% of my earnings and just give it back to you guys. Now imagine this. This hypothetical, right? Let's say an example. If I was to make, I don't know, if I was to make $200,000, $300,000 a year, how much is that? How much is 25%? That's like, let's say $200,000, right? And I just start, you know, be able to give you guys $50,000 worth of things. Free courses, free laptops, be able to go meet up with you guys. Have like a group, I don't know, a group meetup where I could say, hey, 25 of like the most active, you know, viewers here. Hey, let's take a trip to fucking Thailand and let's go meet up and let's do a retreat and just like pretty much hang out, be able to, you know, create something great. Like, those are the ideas that I have. Right now I don't have that type of money. Like right now I have money, you know, to be able to pay my rent, keep a roof over my head, take care of my family, take care of the baby that's on the way. But that's about it. But there's so much more that I want to do for you guys. You know what I mean? And the only way that we get to do that is by supporting each other. Support me and I'll support you guys. Alright? You already know it's your boy Joe back at it again. Make sure you check out CodingPhase.com, which brings you back to the YouTube channel, because that's what we do. Yeah. You already know it's your boy Joe. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like this video, man. If you want to support the channel, just click on the links below and basically click either on the Amazon link or you click on the Udemy link. So whenever you buy an item, basically like a little percent, I think it's like 3 or 4%, we get it back over here at the channel and we could actually help out other developers. If you didn't know, we actually give 25% of all the earnings